Welcome back to this video. If you use Google Chrome on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the latest features that allow you to share password with easy in Google Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open my Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top right here. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on Google Password Manager. Then it's going to take you to all the password you have in your Google Password Manager right here. Next thing you need to do to share any password with friend or family, what you need to do is to select a particular password you would like to share. Let's, for instance, I want to share this particular account password. So click on the account, then apply your security pattern. So it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on share a copy of your password. Click on share. Then click on invite family members right here. Then you'll be taken to your family group account. Next thing you need to do is to select on the account. Then right here, select as many as possible family you would like to share your password with. Once you select them, click on share, and the password and username of the account will be shared with them. It's that simple. So they can have access to account. So for now, you can only share your password with your family friend. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.